Hey guys, David Player 90 here, and we're back here in Wreckfest once again. These PC videos coming out left and right after the Wrecknado Sport 200 subscriber special. We're back. We're at Wrecknado here for a ridiculous double figure 8 track. Oh my gosh, I forgot the paint scheme thing. Who cares? It doesn't matter. We're in the 90s NASCARs here. It's not going to be as awful as Talladega because we're all going to be killing each other, so let's see how this works. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting the paint scheme thing for this car. This tiny start. Okay, you guys don't need to all die at the start. And someone is flipping over the ramp. We are back. Kyle Busch has the lead. Alright, we're going to the right because my car is drifting too. Oh, right? What was that? Yeah, you see this track is ridiculous. Okay, Hamlin. Oh, there's so much wheel spin on this car. Oh my gosh. I can't even drive. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh gosh, that was close. Y'all ignore that. Whoa, that was... Yo, that was a lot of thunder. If you guys heard that, that was a ton of thunder outside my house. And oh gosh, these guys are dying. Okay. Almost got eaten up there. Ah! I'm battling for 21st, and I'm still dying. 1 lap to go, by the way. I never even said that. Ah! Oh, I took 21st. Oh, David Reagan steals the victory after his Talladega mishaps. Could not hold the lead. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, that is a hit in the intersection. Can we get... It's me versus Alfredo. Yeah, took the spot. Let's go. Our first race in Wrecknado is probably going to end up in the 22nd position. Yep, because this car sucks. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Quinn, you are not. Quinn. There. I was like, if Quinn gets the spot from me. 22. Restart. Can I switch the suspension? The traction control full. Or no, let's do half for now because this is literally the most impossible car to control in the world. Green flag is back out. Here at Wrecknado, I am gonna get killed. Oh, it's me and Bill going to the wall together. And we got walled. That was the most awful pun I could have used at that time. This traction control is helping me, so I'm glad that's there. Oh, as soon as I say that, we're gonna spin on that turn. Oh, there's a huge wreck going on in the intersection right now. Can I make it through it? No, of course not. I smacked Derek Cope in the mouth, and I'm getting smacked myself. Yo, move, we're 18th, yay! I think that's the first time I've been top 20. Okay, hold this spot without dying. This traction help is considerably helping. Oh my gosh, the thunder. Oh, yo, that is so loud. I don't know if you guys could hear it, but it is super loud. From my end, at least. Dang, okay. Yeah, I've been in literal rain for like 4 days straight. We have not had sun in so long. Ow. In the wall. Final lap at Wrecknado again. And we get slapped by Truex. I think that was Truex. Okay, Alfredo, can you get off of me? Hey, look, it's the last winner, David Reagan. He's battling for 16. Oh, look at my roof. It's so caved in. I literally look like a pancake. Dang. It's Reagan. Watch out. Oh, I'm in the wall. That was dumb. Ah, come over here. Get over here. And I'm going to spin again. In the 18th position. The 18th spot. Now let's do full traction control. See how that goes. Green flag is back out at Wrecknado. Oh, me and... Okay. What? What is my car doing? None of y'all saw that. No. Green flag is back out. Literally no one decided to go for some reason. So, and Bell is gonna force me in that stupid wall thing. No, he's not, but he's gonna turn me, that's for sure. Let's go. Run. Oh, someone is flipping. What is Reagan actually doing? How did you flip all the way up there? Oh, watch out. Okay, Blaney, alright. And I'm gonna flip. Never mind. I thought I was about to flip there. Oh, I'm gonna get smacked. I thought someone's coming on the intersection. Here, it's Byron. Someone is getting mounted right now. I think that's a Derek Coat. Okay, we're going right this time with 2 to go here. Everyone's been really competitive right now. Yeah, this traction control is definitely helping a lot. So I'm happy that's there. Oh! Jeez, that was close. Oh, can I pinch it under Byron? No, he's so annoying. Oh my gosh, Byron, why? Blaney, can you move? Oh, there's the big wreck we were all waiting for. Oh, get through, get through. Oh, Blaney, why? Why, Blaney? And I can't go in reverse because this car is awful. Oh, come on, dude. Chris Buescher steals the win. I just saw Reagan get slapped. Oh, can I make it through? I'm gonna make it through. It's Blaney over there. Is he gonna spin coming off the corner? Yeah. Spin, spin, spin. Oh, I thought he spun. 21th. Again. Oh my gosh. Can I get a top 10? 15. Let alone top 10, just 15. Alright, we're back. I'm not gonna go to the inside of Bell. Oh, never mind. Everyone is dying off the... What was that? Actually... What? Reset. What actually was that? If you... Oh, I was about to say, if you unghost... Oh my... Truex got caved in the door. I literally look like an F1 car, dude. My wheel is out of the wheel well. And we're spinning. Alright. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this one. Not ever. This is legit hard. I should get the other car, the one that's more powerful. Maybe that could help. And they're still dying. Dylan, what are you doing? You're halting everybody on track. Oh my gosh, and someone is just... Kyle Busch is just chilling on that chainmail, so... I'm gonna switch to the other car after this one. Ah! Oh, I was close. I almost wrecked there. Okay, we're going for 15th on Harvick. I'm going to go left. Oh, oh, that was close. That could have been a wreck. Look at Harvick all caved in on his right side. That didn't. He looked like he had a better day. Oh, that was awful, Alfredo, and we just bodied through him. And Reagan is about to kill me again. Whoa, my gosh, the thunder. The sound of thunder. Literally, I'm using the mod, the sound of thunder, and thunder is screaming outside my house. Okay. Sure, that makes total sense. Coincidence? Alright, we're 18th. Okay, a wrecking assist. Ricky spin. Alright, Busch. Kyle Busch, you don't need to go overboard 2018 Chicagoland on me now. Oh goodness, someone is just not having, they're gonna need a sick bag. 18. To the next car, I'm getting new parts, who cool. To the next car, which, yeah, the Supernova. Why do I have hazy morning mode? No, give me just a clear afternoon, alright? Welcome back to Wrecknado. Oh, no. My controller literally just disconnected. That might just ruin the entire game. And we're stuck at 50. Oh, never mind. We were stuck there. Alright. What the heck is wrong with my remote? Oh, it's doing the stupid thing. Oh, come on. Yep, my remote's deciding to be retarded. Yep, and my game's frozen. This is great. I'm legit actually, wow, this is a really long frozen, so oh, there we go. Never mind. The game's back, the controller's working. Everything is A-okay, not for the AI, they hate that. And they're all gonna kill each other off the, oh my gosh, let me live. Newman. I was about to sign off, and then the game's like, oh wait, we wanna still kill you. Oh my gosh, look at my bumper, dude. It does not look okay. Joey Logano, this dude did a nice pass there. Oh, that did not, that was, someone just got smacked straight in the mouth. We almost got smacked, we almost got smashed in the head right there. We're 16. All right, we're going left. Newman is slow. Watch him, he's gonna slide. Oh, big hits in the intersection going on right now. Oh, it's somebody in the middle of the track. It's Priest, we made it through. This is easily the best we've been doing as Newman just decided to kill himself. Never mind, I thought he did. Final lap, or almost top 10, and then Eric Almirola is about to kill everybody. Oh, no, don't drift. Do not drift. Sorry, Newman. I'm sorry, okay? Truex is gonna win. Oh, the Thunder just did a weird slap right there. It sounded like a whooping. Like it literally sounded like a whip from a belt. That's so weird. Oh, that was embarrassing. There goes my top 10 spot. We're gonna be 13. Best run yet. So yeah, the car is helping. The car is helping, but the AI is not, because they keep doing that. And then, oh, what did I just do to Stenhouse? I just went inside the car. Oh no, all right, sure. Coming out of that in 13th or 12th. Kyle Busch, or not Kyle Busch, Chris Busch is getting turned because I forgot I changed the cars. And we're getting killed. Busher, we gotta go here. All right, McDowell. I don't need a slap. That runs over. Definitely, for sure. Green flag. Okay, we got no one decided to go for whatever. Oh, they're gonna just plant in the wall, dude. Okay. All right, Logano. Just let me have a brain. I have 0 brain cells in real life already, all right? Just so my brain is smooth and silky, all right? Don't give it a bruise. Okay, there. Oh, that did not look okay for that 23. Oh, and we're dead. That's a death sentence right there. We just got slapped to death. We got punched out of the way. It was the Rocket League punch in Rumble mode. That's what that was. And what? Yeah, I'm not even gonna bother. Just kill Almirola. Kill McMurray. Awful. We're gonna do a few more runs if we don't win. Wow, we have not won a single race since coming back to Wreckfest, because I guess I'm just that bad. I'm scared of literally everyone. We made it through that. What? Huh? What? Oh, don't kill Priest, please. Just get on the outside. Save yourself. All right, Logano. Jeez. Or Kyle Busch. Oh, that. It makes more. Actually, no. It's fitting if it was both Kyle Busch or Logano. Yeah, that's what you get, Kyle. Move out the way. Why do I have a feeling he's just gonna come and destroy me now? I'm in the top 10. What? Dennis is in the lead. It's James Dennis Allen Hamlin. Like, I actually think James is his first name. Oh, we're gonna get slapped. That's Logano too. Who's surprised? It's Joey. Priest is dead here. Someone's up on my roof. That's Gregson. We're 12th, but Hamlin has a huge lead, just like he does in the Epic Cup Series too. Final lap. All right. Okay. What was that? Oh, Dennis takes the lead. Someone got moved. And okay. That guy's dead. And I don't even know where the side I was supposed to go is. I think it's over here. Yep. And we are destroyed. Look at my car. My radiators, all sorts have been up. We're going to take the 14th position. We have yet to get a top 10. Come on. We can do this before I sign off. Move. McDowell, I don't like what... You know, I'm not going to gas it because they're all going to be retarded. Yeah, we make it through. Make it through. Oh, I got loose and I spawned. Oh, save it. Yeah, the save. Someone's going to send it super deep right now. Watch Suarez just send it to the next level. Oh, that's what I was talking about. I knew someone was going to do it. It was Bowman, not Suarez. Here comes the cow. I don't know what I just did to Suarez, but he decided to just get rocket launched there. Okay, to the right, to the right, to the right. Ooh, that was a nice bounce. We are 7th for some reason. Oh, Wallace sent it too deep there. Oh, come on. No. Don't do that. Oh, my. That was a near miss for like 4 cars right there. Oh, watch out for Chastain. Don't body me, all right? Final lap. We are 7th once again. Fast Pasta holds the lead. Okay, Chastain. This isn't Gateway, all right? Stop gatewaying me. I'm not Dennis. We are top 5. What? Fast Pasta steals the win. We are going to take oh, that was the whole podium right there. We get 6. Never mind, we lost 5th. Come on, dude. Yeah, that was literally the entire pack. We can do this. I have a feeling we can win at Wrecknado. It is possible. We just need... I think it's all luck, really. Okay, and skill. Don't die, don't die. Reddick, no! Reddick. Okay, get turned on the... No, this is not what I needed. Oh, and I just got smacked. I'm dead. Oh, my... I cannot. No. This car is flattened. I just got flattened. Like, you know that big machine that squishes cars in the junkyard, bro? That is literally what just happened to me. I just got flattened by one of those. Okay, what is happening? Priest, what are you actually doing? Oh my god! Woohoo! Derek Cope and Dennis just literally flipped into the grandstands. What are you guys doing? You guys are trying to assassinate poor poor spectators. Just got killed. Oh my gosh, guys, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm trying. I can do this in like 3 attempts. I can do this. I just need to get off at the start and everyone else needs to die. Like, can I actually do this? Can I do this? Like, if I die, I'm probably gonna do like 2, maybe 3 more attempts, depending if I die right at the start. Oh my goodness, what in the world was that? I don't know who that was, and Logano, you gotta move, dude. You gotta figure something out. Can we win a race in our return to Wreckfest? I don't think so. Oh gosh. Final lap in this attempt. Fast Pasta steals another win. Wow. Okay, Austin, chill. Why do they do that on that turn all the time? Ah, and there it goes. Ow. Okay, 3 more attempts, maybe more if I die right away. Okay? I need to not die at the start. Okay, you guys are not gonna go. That works. Okay, Reddick. Oh my, Reddick. Okay, McDowell. Okay. I see how it is. Okay. I'm alive. Okay, I thought Newman was going to come out in front there. Oh, Dennis is getting turned. Or Tyler Reddick, never mind. I thought that was Denny. Oh, I'm going to get slapped by this 21. Yep. That's a... Okay. All right. That was a slap. Ow, Newman. Okay, all right. Oh, my... Okay, that was my fault, but the others were completely there. Oh my. I am having a stroke. This is not nice. And I can't go on rubber. Why am I in first gear? What is my controller doing? There, let's go. The next attempt, okay? I'm too lazy. Green flag is back out. Oh, finally, I didn't hit Reddick, and then he's going to body me. Okay, someone is dying. They're going to cause that. You guys do that. Don't kill me, please. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Top 10. And what? Derek Cope, what actually are you doing? Watch out for the send. Oh, there it is. It's Spin House sending it this time. Spinning his house. Oh, no. Make it through. Almost. Through Gregson. Almost. And then I got bodied by AD. Keep going. Oh, Joey just took a swipe at me. I don't know what Briscoe's doing, but oh, he got knocked the whole opposite direction. Okay, we're 8th, but Denny has such a big lead. Oh, we're gonna spin coming off that corner. Oh my goodness, Suarez just got bounced and just flipped over us. That was sick. Newman has the lead. Final lap. Oh, wow. No, can we? Oh, we made it through that. Newman is losing time. Oh, I just died. Yeah, our whole right side is all squished in. Someone is literally Beyblading. It's Christopher Bell. Newman should have the lead at any moment. Yeah, there he goes. Newman takes the dub. We are going to get our first top 5. It's a 5th place finish. Yes, we have a chance. I can do this. Oh my gosh, the thunder is ridiculous. Green flag. Okay, just slow down here. Okay, what in the world, Bubba, was that? Bubba. Actually, what was that? Okay, you're forcing me to go to the right. I get it. Hey, at least no one's going to send it on me in this corner now. Okay. Jeez. Oh, I'm going to get slapped by this guy. Okay, that was close. Anthony Alfredo is extremely dominant. He's gotten 3 wins, I think. All right, we got slapped. Slapping the wall. Here's Derek Cope, the perpetrator of the murders of those spectators before. Along with Denny Hamlin, he was not the only one doing that crime. And we are going to get nowhere to go. Oh, I just blasted Newman. Oh my. You're barely alive. I just blasted him. We can do this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Final lap. We are somehow living through that. I don't know how. I don't know how I made it through that intersection. Alfredo steals another win. Why didn't you do that in the Xfinity series and stop doing it here? Oh my. He's doing the esports gaming. He's like an iRacer, isn't he? Just do it in the Xfinity series. Don't just do it in esports. Kyle Busch, can you get off me? This is the most ultimate battle for 18th yet. Oh, just pit him. 18th is mine. That is so mediocre. Wow, Derek Cope starts on the pole. I never even noticed that. This might be the last attempt unless I die right away. Oh my. And we are just wobbling around here. Okay, we gotta go. Let's go left side. Whoa, Core of the Joy. All right. The 53, who is that? I think it's, I don't know. Oh, someone's getting dragged over there. Oh, that was not okay. That's some big hits in the intersection. It was Chris Buescher. Christopher Bell has the lead now. Finally, it's not Alfredo. The whole track here is blocked. We're gonna squeeze through that until the 40 car just turned me. Oh, watch. Newman's gonna send it super deep there. Yep. Watch for the... Oh, here's death. Oh, we got stopped! Whoever just did that is a legend. Thank you. They're getting destroyed, but I thank you for that. There goes... That was my only chance of winning. That was about to be dashed. Final lap. We almost killed Busher there. We are top 10. Jamie McMurray has the lead. He should be crossing the line soon unless he gets killed in the intersection. Oh. Jamie McMurray steals the win. Nice. That's a new thing. And we're going to steal 8th from Denny. Nice. Oh. Okay. 2 more attempts. If I die in this start, we're adding another attempt every time. Green flag is out. I feel like I can do this. Just don't die at the start. Yeah, make it through that. Oh, can I make it through? Oh, I couldn't make it through that. That's another attempt right there to be added. Barmy Army, okay. McDowell's name tag says Barmy Army on the side of the car. That, okay, Bowman. All right. Okay, that wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad. We didn't get fully not. Oh, what is going on in the front? What the heck? Denny is just causing a massive struggle. Oh, what was that? Ignore that crack of voicing right away. Voice crack. I don't know what I just said, but I'm dead. No one's gonna knock me back over. So that is another attempt to be needed. Green flag is back out. Reddick, could you actually move? Oh my gosh, these guys are actually stupid. Oh my, leave me alone. You AI are actually ridiculous. Look at my whole left side. What happened? In 3 seconds that happened, and these guys are getting launched over the fence. Okay, Bubba, can you get off me? All right, here. Hit Almirola there. That was not intentional, by the way. All right, go. Oh, that was a nice run there. That's the runs I need off that corner. 13th. What was that bounce? Trix is going to send it on me. Yep. Oh, there's a big wreck in the intersection. Get over that. Or 13. I don't know what Alfredo's doing, but he's stuck inside the concrete barriers there. Oh, we're going to spin coming off there. We got loose there. White flag. If we don't get top 5, then we're restart. Oh my. What in the world happened to that guy? And we're going to spin. Derek Cope wins. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. And we made it through that. Why can't we do that with every single one? And I killed someone, apparently. It's me versus Suarez for like 11th or something. And he's going to steal it from me. Oh, it's 12th. 13. Come on. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. You guys. Do you think I can actually win? We've had 1 top 5, but 3 top 10s, I think. Oh, they're going to all die. And Logano just did something. And I don't know what that was, but that worked. I don't know what's Denny doing, but Denny's stuck on his side. And Spinhouse is spinning. Oh, what in the heck was that? I just launched AD to the next realm of life. I just launched him off the track, and I don't even care that was beautiful. We just got whooped right there. That was ridiculous. What was that? Lap number 2. Alfredo gets slapped there. McDowell. All right. Reddick. Yeah, I'm restarting. This is it. This is officially the last attempt, unless I die right here at the start. Last attempt, hopefully go. Okay, Reddick, I don't care why are you pinning me? Oh, everyone's gonna make it through here. That's it. This is the last attempt. Somebody is dying. That is Truex and Chase Briscoe. is going to end it. No, this is still the beginning. I can restart still. I gotta make it to lap 2 in the top 10 or around just near it, okay? Oh, McMurray. Oh, we can still go. Keep going. McDowell, no. McDowell, we don't need you to do this. 15th. Not awful, but not great. Yeah, this is just gonna be, I'm just gonna do this. This is the last attempt. Oh, everyone's getting destroyed. Move, Newman. We're top 10. We can do it. This is the last attempt. Can I win? Probably not, because my car is awful. Yep, I'm dead. There we go. Oh, look, AD's back. How is the amusement park, bud? This might be the last attempt. This is probably not. I'm not sure. And we get destroyed. Oh my. Yeah, none of y'all saw that whoop right there. Hopefully last attempt, go. I want to get done with this. Oh my gosh. Tyler Reddick is literally insane. And he killed me for it. Oh my gosh. No. Stop. Stop. I don't know why I just went to an accent midway through that. Reddick, if you wreck. Oh my. McMurray always dies there. Why? Why do you? Oh wow, okay. Move. Everybody's gotta move. Freight train through this. Yeah, nobody made it through. Only like 3 cars died there. Oh my. What in the world? Did I do that to you, McMurray? What happened? I'm gonna get around and there's a big wreck happening right here. Bubba's getting turned here. We're dead. Yep, there it is. Death. This is awful. It's crime to be good. What type of slogan is that? Oh. Make it through. Make it through. Move, Priest. Move, move, move. Everybody gotta move. Okay. That was somewhat decent. Derek Cope is killing everyone, and so is Reddick. That's what they always do. Okay, nice speed. Don't kill him. Alright, just pump. Oh my gosh, Kyle Busch just flipped to the other ramp. What the heck? That was, oh my, someone is getting launched over there. I'm just gonna keep going. This is the last attempt. I don't care where I finish. Even if it's 24th, I'm done. This is the last one because I am so bad at this game. And we're probably gonna finish last. We're 21st right now. This is awful. McDowell, I need you to actually move. Are we gonna see a different winner? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my, that guy is destroyed. I think that's Busher. Busher has seen better days. I don't know what Priest did there. Final lap, everyone's dead. The final lap of the video. I am actually dead, so. Christopher Bell takes the win. That wasn't too new, I guess. And I'm gonna miss this corner. Neat. Having a battle with Tyler Reddick for 16th. Oh man, it's gonna be OP. And I'm losing the spots. Oh, come on. I just completely ate that corner. 20th. Yeah, top 20. We're done. That was the most ridiculous race I've ever done in my life. Hope you like that video, guys. Oh my gosh, help me. I'm gonna need some therapy. So as I go do that, you guys do whatever you're gonna do on the feed or do whatever you're gonna go do with your life, okay? Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.